Hey guys, Sloth here. So before the video starts, I just want to tell you some context to what happened. So my friend here, Wouter, has a motorcycle, a YAMAHA R6, and he was driving it on the Zandvoort racetrack 2 months ago, I think. And he had a crash at about 130 kilometers an hour, which is like 70 miles an hour for your freedom units people. He had a high sider, which means that he got on the throttle a little too fast and the bike flipped him off. And the bike sustained some heavy damage, but we thought we could probably fix it with some DIY and some parts from the Chinese seller ALIEXPRESS, which is basically like eBay but even cheaper. And this is how that goes. So Wouter's fine. He broke his foot and he broke his shoulder in the crash, but this is like 2 months later and he's out of the wheelchair now and doing great, and we're gonna rebuild the bike. So yeah, that's the context, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun watching this video. Hello guys, and welcome to the vlog. Okay gang, so this is the box. Ik blur, je kent zeker. This is the box of parts from AliExpress. It's fucking massive. Did you? Why?
I mean, it fits.
You sure about that?
Yep. Close it up.
That's massive. And this is supposed to be all of the fairings you need, right? For how much?
With the import tax, it's I believe 420 euros.
Look at how massive that fucking box is.
Like if you want to buy this in the Netherlands, you're probably paying like 1500 euros.
At least.
At least.
What are you doing?
I think. No, wait. I'm gonna wait with this one until these.
Yeah, until we've put it together. That's probably a good idea. Did you buy a new steering dampener?
Nope.
Is the other one broken?
Nope.
Oh, so you're gonna use that one?
Should it be broken?
I don't fucking know. You yeeted it into the concrete. Yeah. What was it?
Right.
130 kilometers an hour, which is like 70 miles an hour for your freedom units, people. By the way, before you guys start complaining in the comments, the OGs will know this guy's English, like, he's improved so much. Like, go watch our old Satisfactory streams, like from when we started streaming together. His English is so much better than it was, because before it sounded like this, and now it's actually sounding like kind of like English. You're doing great, bud.
It's a little bit better.
So if you want to teach yourself English, go play games with some dude on the internet. It's a very good way to learn English.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, but
Why is this thing just loose in the bag?
oh my god, maybe someone stole something out of it.
No, it was pretty tight wrapped.
Yeah, okay, that's a lot of tape.
Like my old fairings, they were like so loose because everything was broken. I could just lift them off. So now I don't know where everything goes.
Oh shit, after the crash you mean?
Yeah.
Because all the attachment points are still here with pieces of fairing attached.
Okay, these things also.
What are those? What are those?
On the rear. I think, yeah.
What is it?
I need a knife. I don't think I have a knife.
Do you not have a knife in your fucking workshop?
Oh, I do.
That's not a knife, that's scissors.
Yeah, but I have a knife.
There is so much shit in here, dude. Holy shit. It actually looks like it kind of fits. Dude.
The paint job.
Dude, does it line up?
What? The holes.
Yeah. Oh my god, it actually lines up.
Yep.
I was not expecting that. I thought we were gonna have to drill through shit.
I'm looking for like the...
What is this? I think those are the side fairings in the bottom there.
I need the bottom. I'm looking for the bottom.
Again, guys, if you crash your bike, buy shit off of AliExpress. It's the same quality and it's way cheaper. Okay, so what's that? Oh, that's the part you were looking for?
I think.
Oh, they sprayed it like shit. Look at that.
No, it's the bottom.
Oh, that's the
bottom
inside. You don't see that. Look, let me look on the outer. I mean, that's pretty smooth, right? Like, hold on, hold it still for. Let me just give it to me. There's, like, it looks factory. It's not. It's definitely not an OEM part. Okay. Yeah, this paint job looks. Oh wait, you can see some. If you turn it around, you can see some imperfections here, for example.
Oh yeah, it's minor. It's minor.
Yeah, it's how much did you pay again?
420 euros.
420, beautiful. Yeah, that's still in there from the old fairings. Okay, so we're doing a little bit of a DIY fix here because the anti-vibration stuff that was on the old fairings is not on the new one, so we're gonna DIY it.
Already?
Yeah.
Okay, for this one, we're gonna take the red tape that you just acquired.
But how about all the ones around these little...
Which ones?
These ones.
There.
Yes, there is.
Oh. Whoa.
Are we just gonna wing it and see how it sounds?
No, we're gonna put them behind.
But how?
Okay, first I want you to get this red shit off. That's really hard. That's
So,
this shit.
funny story, guys. Hold on. Like years ago, I put some soundproofing on my wall with some double-sided tape I borrowed from this guy. And the sound isolation stuff fell off, but the tape is still on my wall. And how long has it been, do you think? Like 5 years?
Probably.
And I just can't get it off. I tried to use some like chemicals to get it off, and I just rubbed all the paint off of my walls. I'm just putting a poster there. I ordered a poster for it, and I don't remember what image I put on it. Like I ordered a canvas image, and I don't even remember what I ordered. So I'm pretty excited. Like I'm not even gonna check. I'm pretty excited to see what it was. So while putting this away, I noticed that this one, the OEM one, has like little foam blocks. It's probably to stop it from vibrating and like making a lot of noise. So we're gonna take these foam blocks and put them on the new one. Dude, I think they're exactly the same molds. They look like they're the same molds.
No, it's not the same old look. Like here you have, with the old one, you have like cover side, the number, the manufacturing date in here.
Yeah, that's
it's
not
like, it's only here the manufacturing date.
I mean, at least it's still on there.
And like here you see these lines
Yeah.
from where the mold connects.
Yeah, they're
And
here.
here it's clean.
No, here. They're here. Look, they're here. You can see it's just really dirty. See that?
Yeah, but here you can see more here, so...
Yeah, because this is different. Like coated in dirt. Hey guys, so it's starting to look like an actual motorcycle again, which is pretty fucking cool.
And it fits.
It all fits. Like just one of these fairings would cost like hundreds of bucks if you bought it from OEM.
Yeah, like Sloth is...
Yeah, I'm painstakingly putting this fucking dampening foam shit on. It's a lot of work, but like...
But like if you're done,
it's honest.
We can put like the whole rear on it. And like the tank area. And then the only thing we have to do is the front. Oh wait, yeah, it will fit like this.
Dude!
Oh, we have one problem.
What? This doesn't fit around your stupid fucking dent? Let me see, how bad is it?
Really bad, man.
Oh god.
It's really fucking bad.
I mean, if you just screw it in, you won't even notice. Dude! It looks like the paint looks even better on camera. Like it on this small screen when you can't see the details, it looks so baller.
Okay, now the rest of these fairings,
Like
I'm gonna use the old ones that I already had.
Why?
Because they're fine and they're of better quality.
That's glossy. Oh, it's fiber. Fake fiber, but fiber. Oh yeah, that looks right. No, the way you had it, I think. Nope, you're right. Dude! Yeah, that's it. Yeah, but it's flexible. Oh, there we go. That's fucking baller. Dude, it's starting to look like a bike again.
Yep.
You could just leave the side fairings off. That would look sick. Yeah, the thing is though, if you drop it then the frame's damaged.
Yeah, it's not good. Like this whole area got bent, I think.
Oh, when you dropped it.
If we take a hammer.
Oh god. You're gonna hammer on your gas tank? Yep. If I say this is a bad idea, will you listen to me whatsoever?
Nope.
I think it's gonna break it. That's loud. It's not bending at all. So this lines up perfectly.
You know what's the problem? Like because of my crash.
Can you show me?
Yeah,
show the camera. Yeah, that's a huge gap. I can fit a finger in there.
Because of the crash, this whole piece just like
caved in.
Like this piece was all meshed in, and like this shit, it's.
So again, it's a gas tank that's using.
It's a gas tank. So if we smash it, it won't get better.
My members, my dear members, if you become a YouTube member on my channel, you can see shit like this. Like I post photos of the progress and like little sneak peeks on my Discord, which you can join when you become a member of my channel. The lowest tier is only $1.99. So if you want to get sneak peeks into my content and play games with me and get in voice chat with me, make sure to hit that join button. Dude, the red hardware is so sexy. Look at that. That's so hot.
Okay,
dude, this thing is gonna be so sexy when it's done. I think it's gonna look better than it did.
I hope so.
Like before the crash.
Except for the tank part.
I mean, the tank's just got a little bit of a bulge.
I think
you can really tell when you look from here.
Like for real, I think if I like try to sell it, I think like maybe 30% of the people that will buy it can see it.
This thing?
I know, I don't.
Dude, if you walk up to it, you can definitely tell.
Yeah,
like especially from here.
When people buy things, they're looking at smaller details, but like those kind of.
Yeah, but it's really like if I just glance at it, it's really. I was constantly thinking something's off. By the way, guys, just so you know, literally everything we've been replacing and using on this thing came from AliExpress.
No, not everything.
Yeah, everything except the exhaust.
And like other parts that need strength.
Yeah, like metal framing stuff. But there's not much of that on there.
That's true.
Get it, gamer. That is so not symmetrical. Okay, it kinda is, but it's not. But it kinda is.
It is.
Okay, guys, so this place is gonna close in like less than an hour. And we've been working on this thing for a couple hours now. And it's looking a lot better. Like from the front, it doesn't look like a bike yet. But if you're looking at the sides, like this fairing, like these fairings and this one, because that's what we put on the seat and this fairing.
The seat is not new.
No, but like, it looks like a bike again. Look at the bottom of this. This is fucking hot. And that red hardware, it looks so good. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I've never done a video like this before, so if you like this video, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what I can improve. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button because this is going to be a multi-part video. Like, this is going to be more work than this. Like, we're nowhere near done yet. The only part we need that hasn't come in yet is the headlight. Like, the headlight itself is fine, but the enclosure around it broke, so we're waiting for that. Aside from that, we have pretty much everything in, right? Everything's here, right? The only part you're waiting for is the headlight, right?
The headlight, right?
Yeah. So if you guys want to see us build this thing and drive it when it's done, I hope, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and it would really mean a lot to me if you became a member of my channel. It's only $1.99, and with that you can join my Discord server and like play games with me and get early access to content. Also, this video is not sponsored at all, so if you want to sponsor me, make sure to hit me up. You know where to find me on Twitter, on Reddit. My email address is in my YouTube About section. So just let me know. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.